This is a chef hat. Each one of these folds represents a different way to prepare an egg. Traditionally, there's 100 folds in a chef hat, but nowadays we only have 45 to 50. This is 50 ways to prepare an egg. Today's episode is over medium. The pan I'm using today is made in Denmark with a tritanium material, so it's a non-toxic, non-stick. Put a little bit of butter in your pan and watch it melt all around. We want to make sure it bubbles, but it doesn't burn completely. And then after that, I'm going to crack in my egg into the pan as close to the pan as possible. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I did not just do that. You did not see that. After it's set a little, I'm going to tilt my pan and just give it a nice flip. You just want to be confident with it. That's it. I'm going to let it sit on there for about 30 seconds and then pull it off. I'm going to pull it off heat and then season it with salt and pepper. And that is my over medium egg. It's just a little bit jammy, not too runny, and it's just before the egg yolk set.